So welcome to IDQ Value Adder, and we are doing phase 3 grammar, and that is advanced grammar, and we are doing in narration. In narration, we are doing direct to indirect speech. In day 1, we talked about many examples. Today also, we'll go for many examples. Always remember one thing, the more you practice, the better it would be. So today I ensure that you will get time for practice. So let's go for, and I really want that you to be very active. You have your chat box. You have to use it when we will be doing it. So let's go for the day number 2, and we are having a lot of fun today. Okay, so day number 2. So these all we learned in the last class, how we can change the form from I, we, me. If there is I, we, or me, we should always go for the indirect, the direct speech subject. We have to take the pronoun. We have done this already. Okay. But one thing I would like to say here, you can see in direct speech, in reported speech, the first person is I and me. So this I and me is a singular person, So in singular case, we will take the subject of the direct speech into pronoun form. Please listen, everyone. See the direct speech, reported speech, the first person, I, we, and me. Here it is said that whenever you will speak the indirect speech, you have to go to the direct speech and take the subject of the subject in the pronoun form. Now, please understand one thing. Here I, me, and we. When we is there in any direct speech, we, then we will always speak they or we. Because in that case, we cannot just say he or she, because we is a plural form. And when you are using plural form, either you have only two choices, either they or we. Always remember that. In last class, in day 1, we faced this problem. So whenever you have we in the direct speech, then indirect speech, it should be always either they or we. And you will come to know how, when, in which case it will be we and in which case it will be they. But, it will not follow that subject pronoun, because we is already the plural form. So we का हमेशा जब भी आप indirect में लिखोगे, it should be always they or we. Okay, any questions if you have, you can write down in the chat box. And let's go with these. We have already learned, yes, but whenever there's a you, then you will go for the object pronoun. Whenever there will be he, she, they, or any name, then there will be no change. There will be no change. Okay, let's go for the practice time. Yes, practice. And I want you to write the exact indirect sentence of that speech. Let's see. This is the sentence. Ravi said to me, he is my friend. So should we go and talk or should we write? Okay, let's go and talk. I think that will be more, better. So let's go for Neelam. Neelam will be telling what will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ravi told me that he was his friend.
Ravi told me that he was his friend. Absolutely right. Ravi told me that he was his friend. So as we already discussed in the last class.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
सर बहुत सारी जगह में यू एंड योर्स लिखा होता है बहुत सारे सेंटेंस में, तो कई सेंटेंस में यू की जगह मी होता है और कई में यू की जगह हिम और हर होता है.
ये तो सेंटेंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. अगर हम लोग इन फ्यूचर सेंटेंस वैसा आता है तो हम लोग देख लेंगे. अभी हम लोग वी हैव मेनी सेंटेंसेस. आप ऐसे ऑन द स्पॉट वैसे सेंटेंस बोलोगे तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक इट. अभी हम लोग एकदम बेसिक से जा रहे हैं. so that एक बार basic clear हो जाए तो we will see lot of sentences in the
Yes,
future.
sir.
Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
It all depends on how we practice.
Yes, sir.
So now just go step by step. Ravi told me that he was his friend. So what we have done, always remember whenever it is Ravi said to me, जब भी said to वाली बात आएगी, हमेशा told me that ऐसा हम लोग indirect speech में लिखेंगे. लेकिन अगर सिर्फ said होगा तो हम indirect में भी said ही लिखेंगे, said that. और जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है, मतलब जो दूसरा वाला लाइन है, ही इज माई फ्रेंड, वो लाइन हम हमेशा पास्ट में लिखेंगे. सो क्या हो जाएगा, ही वॉज. अब माई फ्रेंड तो नहीं होगा, अब वो हिज फ्रेंड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हम इनडायरेक्टली बोल रहे हैं कि रवि ने क्या बोला था. ओके, विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस एंड दिस टाइम मैं जिसको अनम्यूट करूंगा वही बताएगा. ओके, नाउ विल गो टू रेखा. रेखा, योर सेंटेंस इज, he said to Bhima, I do not hate you.
She told to Bhima, she told to Bhima, she did not hate you. Yes,
अच्छे
she
से
does.
देखिए, अच्छे से देखिए. She said to Bhima. She said
Said
to
to
Bhima,
Bhima,
I do not hate you. Okay. So आप
she
थर्ड
does not hate you. She
आप
does not hate
प्लीज
him.
प्लीज प्लीज अच्छे से मेरे को, हाँ, yes, very good. You have to see कि she is not telling you, she is telling you, मतलब भीमा को बोल रही है. So when you speak the indirect speech, so क्या हो जाएगा, past में हो जाएगा, I did not
hate him. Hate he.
हाँ, तो अब तो I नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि I is a she.
She.
I is a she. So she did not hate him.
Him.
Absolutely right. She told Bhima that. He told Bhima that. आपने that नहीं लगाया. She told Bhima that. ये that हमेशा लगेगा. Always remember this. That will be sitting everywhere. Okay, so that will be sitting every time. ये हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए. She told Bhima that she did not hate him. She told Bhima that she did not help him. Okay. Now I'll go to the next person. This time Kanchan Jaswani will be speaking the third sentence. Okay, the Kanchan, your sentence is, okay. Now, please listen. This instruction is for everyone. Please listen. If reporting speech is in present or future, you know reporting speech,
Yes.
then no verb change. If reporting speech अगर present में और future में होगा, तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो है उसमें हम लोग नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं, पास्ट कर देते हैं. वो पास्ट नहीं होगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. whenever in reporting speech there is a present or future, हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में उसको सेम रखेंगे, उसको पास्ट में चेंज नहीं करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स सी कंचन कैन डू इट और नॉट. So Kanchan, your sentence is on your screen right now. Yes, see this sentence and I'm giving you 30 seconds to answer. Don't think about making mistake. The more mistake we do, the better we'll learn. Yes.
Ravi said to me that
Ravi
he was
said. ये
told.
तो
Ravi
प्रेजेंट
told.
में है.
Ravi
ये प्रेजेंट में है. रवि सेज टू मी, इट इज इन प्रेजेंट. अभी तक हमने सारा जितना देखा था वो पास्ट में था. अभी ये प्रेजेंट में है. रवि सेज टू मी.
Ravi says
ट्राई कीजिए कंचन. You can go wrong.
Ravi says to me that he was my friend.
He was my friend. Okay, Ravi says to me that he is my friend. So Ravi says to me, okay, he is my friend. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go to Poonam. Let's go to Poonam Taneja. Yeah, Poonam, unmute yourself.
Sir, it will be Ravi says to me that I am his friend.
I am his friend. Okay, let's see the answer. Ravi says to me. First of all, whenever it is says to me, it will be tells me. It will always become tells. Yes, जहां जहां हमने देखा था ना said to me था वो told हो गया था, तो Ravi says to me में यहाँ भी tells me हो जाएगा. Ravi tells me that he is his friend. Okay, so this sentence will be he is my friend. Sorry for the inconvenience. It will be he is my friend. He is my friend. Please listen why it is happening. We discussed today that whenever there will be present, so Ravi says to me, it is a present sentence. थोड़ी देर पहले हमने बात किया था कि अगर वहां पे present या future होगा तो verb में कोई change नहीं आएगा. So considering that Ravi tells me that, तो ये ऊपर वाला अगर present में है तो नीचे वाला भी present में होगा. Okay, and that he is, और हमने ये भी बात किया था कि अगर he होगा तो change कभी नहीं होगा. He will be always he. So he is my friend. He is my friend. So we already discussed this कि कभी भी अगर present और future होगा then कभी भी कोई change नहीं होगा. या नीलम?
सर यहाँ ही क्यों नहीं होगा? ही इज हिज फ्रेंड.
अरे मेरे और एक चीज समझिए, वो किसका दोस्त है? यहाँ पे कितने जन है? यहाँ पे बात कितने लोगों की हो रही है? 3 लोगों की कि 2 लोगों की?
इसके पहले लेकिन ही इज हिज फ्रेंड बोला था
हाँ
मैंने
तो
सर.
होता, क्योंकि वहां पे 3 लोगों की बात थी. जब भी कोई सेंटेंस आ उसमें देखो कि कितने लोगों की बात हो रही है. अच्छे से डायरेक्ट को देखो, समझ जाओगे. रवि सेज टू मी मतलब
मेरा
रवि मुझे बोल रहा है. अच्छे से देखिए, रवि ने मुझे
उसमें
बोला.
भी था सर रवि सेड टू मी.
क्या रवि सेड टू मी व्हाट?
इसके पहले वाला सेंटेंस भी रवि सेड टू मी ही इज माय फ्रेंड था सेंटेंस.
एक मिनट रुकिए.
ही इज माय फ्रेंड.
रवि सेड टू मी, कौन वाला? ये वाली सेंटेंस? इज दिस द सेंटेंस यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट?
यस सर. यस सर.
Ravi said to me he is my friend. Ravi told me that. Fine.
वो मेरा
He
रवि
was
मुझे बोला वो मेरा
he
फ्रेंड है.
was my friend. He was my
He
friend.
was his friend. ऐसा आपने एक सेंटेंस दिया है सर उसके पहले, तो आपने उसमें दिया है he was his friend. Ravi told to me that he was his friend. ऑलरेडी आपने रेपो उस डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट में रेपो और ये सब बताया था. उसमें ऑलरेडी बताया था ये.
नहीं, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एक मिनट रुके. यहाँ पे एक चीज, कितने लोग हैं वहीं पे कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. इवन रवि, ये कौन सा सेंटेंस था हमारा? रवि सेड टू मी ही इज माई फ्रेंड.
सेड टू मी का था.
यहाँ पे 3 लोग हैं.
Yes.
यहाँ पे 3 लोग हैं. ठीक है, एक है रवि, एक है मी और एक है वो ही जिसके बारे में रवि बोल रहा है. यहाँ पे 3 लोग हैं, इसीलिए हिज फ्रेंड हुआ है. नेक्स्ट आइए. शी सेड टू भीमा आई डू नॉट हेट यू. शी टोल्ड टू भीमा दैट शी डिड नॉट हेट हिम. तो यहाँ पे 2 लोग हैं, 2 लोगों की बात हो रही है. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? रवि सेज टू मी दैट ही इज माई फ्रेंड. Ravi says to me that he is my friend. Okay, it was right only. Sorry, ये तो सही था. हमने ये क्यों गलती किया मैंने? He is his friend only. This is the right sentence. I'm extremely sorry. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी गलती हुई. Ravi tells me that he is his friend. यहाँ पे 3 जन की बात हो रही है.
His friend. Yes, sir.
Yes, he is his friend. My friend नहीं होगा. He is his friend होगा. Because there are 3 people are here.
Thank you, sir.
Ravi, me, and the person जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. Thank you, Neelam. Absolutely right. Very good. So Ravi tells me that he is his friend. ये होगा right sentence. Absolutely. Very good. He is his friend. We have to basically count, you know, how many people are there. Otherwise, वो he, she में हमारी गलती हो जाएगी. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. And this time I will call Prashanti. Prashanti, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prashanti, your sentence is, Ravi will say to me, he is my friend.
Okay.
Ravi will say to me, he is my friend.
Ravi will tell to me he is his friend.
Ravi will tell me that he is his friend. Very nice, wonderful, very good, Prashanti. Ravi
Thank you,
will tell me that he is his friend. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Very good. Ravi will tell me that he is his friend. Okay, now we'll go for the next person, Neha. Okay, so Neha, your sentence is, she says to Mohan, I do not hate you.
She tells Mohan that she did not hate her.
Why you are changing to past?
She do not hate her.
She के बाद do लग सकता है कभी?
She does not.
पूरा सेंटेंस बताइए.
She tells Mohan that she does not hate her.
She tells to Mohan that she does not hate him.
Mohan, him.
Mohan, him, right? She
Yes.
tells Mohan that she does not hate him. She tells Mohan that she does not hate him. She tells Mohan that she does not hate him is the right answer. Very good. Any questions? If anybody has, then you can raise your hand. I will ask you. Okay, we'll go for Sandhya Sharma. Okay, Sandhya, your sentence is, he said, I can meet you now.
He told that he could meet me then.
हमने बात किया था ना, he said होगा तो he said ही होगा. Indirect sentence में भी he said. He told नहीं होगा. Told कब होगा? जब he said to होता है, then we say tell. But if it is he said, then it will be always he said that.
So he said that he could meet me then.
So he said, I can meet you now. So he said that he could meet me then. Okay, absolutely right. He said that he could meet me then is the right answer. Absolutely. Always remember, when you say about he said, then it will be always he said. Okay, next go for the next one, and this time I'm going to ask, okay, Mohua Kundu, will you try? Okay, Mohua, you unmute yourself and your sentence is on your screen right now. Ravi says he is my friend. ये friend वाला बहुत तंग किया हुआ है तब से.
Robi tells that
रोबी नहीं है, रवि है, रवि। रोबी नहीं बोलने का, ये दिस इज रवि, रवि। Yes.
Ravi tells that he
He
is he was my friend.
was नहीं होगा मैडम, this is in present. This is in present. So present में अगर Ravi says is the present. So if it is present, then we will not change the verb.
He is my friend. Ravi tells that he is my friend.
My friend अच्छे से समझो, Ravi says he is my friend. So ये third person के बारे में बोला जा रहा है. So he is his friend.
He is his friend.
यहाँ पे
Ravi
वो
tells that he is his friend.
absolutely Ravi says that he is
His friend.
his friend.
Yes.
You see here, Ravi says, it is Ravi says. So in indirect speech, it will be always says. But whenever it is Ravi says to, then it will be tells. Like हमने past में भी जैसा देखा था, he said तो हम लोग he said ही लिखते हैं. Ravi says तो हम लोग Ravi says ही लिखेंगे. But अगर says to हो जाता तो यहाँ पे tells होता. Yes, very good.
But आगे सेंटेंस करते टेल्स चलो.
हाँ टेल्स था, लेकिन उसमें भी डायरेक्ट में था सेज टू होगा तो टेल्स होगा. अगर सिर्फ सेज होगा तो हम सिर्फ सेज करेंगे वहां पे. ओके, नाउ विल गो फॉर या प्रीति. लेट्स गो फॉर प्रीति नाउ. So Preeti, your sentence is Ravi will say he is my friend.
Ravi will say that he is his friend.
Absolutely right. Very good. If there is any problem anyone is having, please ask. Ravi will say that he is his friend. Ravi will say that he is his friend. Now we'll go for the next person. We'll go for Rupa. Rupa DL. I don't know what is Rupa DL. Okay, Rupa DL. Real for क्या हो सकता है? We'll talk about it later. He said to Meenu, "Are you coming?"
He told to me, Meenu.
Meenu का मी कहाँ आ रहा है? He told Meenu.
He told Meenu
That
he told to Meenu that we were. Are you coming? So are you coming? No. Were you came?
it is question. See, this is a question, huh? This is a question. Remember, this is a question.
Aren't
Good.
you came?
No, it will not be like that. Okay, let's see. I'll
Sorry,
go to the
weren't
next
you come?
person. I'll go to the
Weren't
next
you come?
person. No, aren't you come will not okay. Arpita Dev. अर्पिता देव ऐसा कर रही है कि ऐसा कर रही है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मतलब मारेंगे या बोलेंगे, you know, there's very the lot of confusion. Okay, yes, Arpita Dev.
He told Meenu that if she coming,
but it is, see, he is asking or he is saying to Meenu?
Asking.
Then why you are saying that telling? It is a question. So question रहेगा तो ask होगा. Question होगा तो asked. Chanda Bose, will you try this?
He asked Minu that
Okay, then
if you coming, if she coming.
He asked Minu that is she coming?
If
she coming? If she coming?
If she coming.
He asked Minu that if she coming.
He asked Minu. He asked Minu if. यहाँ पे that नहीं होगा because this is a question. If होगा या whether होगा. He asked Minu if she was coming. If she coming ये कैसा sentence हो गया भाई? If she was coming. If she was coming. It is past. If she was coming. Okay, now we'll go for just a minute. I want to see who has not got the opportunity because so many people are there. Surinder, if you try.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next sentence. He said, what are you doing today?
He said that what were you doing today?
What were you doing today? See, whenever it is also a question, and this question is with what means WH question word. So whenever WH question word is there, तो आप if whether को use नहीं करोगे. If whether आप तब use करोगे जब वहां पे कोई verb हो, जैसे was, is, am. But यहाँ पे question हो रहा है WH word से. So वो WH word यहाँ पे बैठाना पड़ेगा. The right sentence will be he asked what. He asked what. What रहेगा वो word जो है वो फिर से आएगा. What I was doing that day.
What I was doing that day.
Yes, past में तो होगा ही. What I was doing that day. Today मतलब that day. He asked. So दो तरह का क्वेश्चन होता है. एक क्वेश्चन होता है जहां पे आप वर्ब से स्टार्ट करते हो. जैसे इससे पहले वाला जो था वो वर्ब से था. देखो आर. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन देखो ये आर यू कमिंग. सो आर इज अ वर्ब. बट ये जो क्वेश्चन है दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट. व्हाट मींस क्वेश्चन वर्ड. सो जब भी क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट होगा तो वो क्वेश्चन वर्ड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में बैठेगा. ही आस्क्ड व्हाट आई वाज. सो यू मतलब आई. So what I was doing that day.
What I was doing. Yeah.
Okay, let's go for the next one. And this time I would like to ask Shweta. Shweta, can you unmute yourself?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shweta, your sentence is this. Oh, sorry, well done. Okay. Okay. अब क्या करें? I think we have lost the sentences. Okay, now this is for everyone. You please write down or you take a simple note of it. Whenever the reported speech past indefinite
Hello?
में होगा. Yes.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, Shweta, audible. You are audible, but please just wait.
Sir,
Because okay, Shweta. Just listen what I am saying. Okay, if reported speech is in past indefinite, then indirect sentence का जो reported speech होगा वो past perfect होगा. If past continuous is the reported speech, then वो change हो जाएगा past perfect continuous में. ये हमने last class में भी discuss किया था. अगर वो past perfect होता है, then उसमें कोई change नहीं होगा. और अगर past perfect continuous होता है, तो उसमें भी कोई change नहीं होगा. This we did in the last class. Okay, we'll talk about any question comes. We'll deal with it. Just a minute. And yes, ये भी आप लोग के लिए जानना जरूरी है कि अगर will होगा फ्यूचर में तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा would में, अगर shall होगा तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा should में, अगर can होगा तो चेंज हो जाएगा could में, may will change into might, must will change into must or had to, और has to और have to अगर रहेगा तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा had to पर. सो ये आपके पास लिखा होना चाहिए, और या तो यू शुड नो दिस, शुड हैव अ स्नैपशॉट. These are small important pointers which will help you to make these sentences. Okay, so let's go for this. Okay, I'll come and I'll take your question. First you see here, यहाँ पे देखिए he said to me I will come tomorrow. So ये जो tomorrow वाला जगह है, उस tomorrow वाले जगह पे अगर this होगा तो आपके indirect speech में वो that हो जाएगा. अगर this day होगा तो वो that day हो जाएगा. This रहेगा तो those हो जाएगा. These days रहेगा तो those days हो जाएगा. Here रहेगा तो there हो जाएगा. Now रहेगा तो then हो जाएगा. Today रहेगा तो that day हो जाएगा. Yesterday रहेगा तो the day before हो जाएगा. ये बहुत important है. आप if you don't know this, your sentence will be wrong. If tomorrow रहेगा तो the following day. At the moment रहेगा तो at that moment. Last night रहेगा तो the night before. Last year रहेगा तो year before. Next year रहेगा the following year. Tonight रहेगा तो that night. Ago रहेगा तो before or earlier. This is very important. जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है वो है डायरेक्ट स्पीच में. अगर ये रहा तो आप इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या लिखोगे उस बारे में यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. Yeah, Neelam, what is your question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
जो क्वेश्चन में आपने बताया if और whether लगाना, ये मेरा पहले भी डाउट था. He said to Meenu, "Are you coming?" तो
Yes.
इसका आंसर he asked Meenu if she was coming और whether she was coming.
Yes.
तो सर इसका if का मतलब तो अगर होता है, अगर वो आ रही है,
अगर वो आ रही है, राइट.
तो
हाँ, ठीक है.
क्वेश्चन कैसे हुआ सर?
ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए. क्वेश्चन का आंसर हमेशा क्वेश्चन, मतलब इनडायरेक्ट में जब वो आ जाएगा तो वो और क्वेश्चन नहीं रहेगा. अगर वो आ रही है काइंड ऑफ मीनिंग हो जाएगा ये. वो इफ या वेदर, उसमें हम लोग क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे. दैट विल नॉट बी एनी मोर एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस.
सर
यहाँ पे
थोड़ा ऑड लग रहा था, सुनने में ऑड लगने नहीं है सर.
He said to Meenu, "Are you coming?" He said to Meenu, "Are you coming?" He asked Meenu if she was coming. अगर वो आ रही है, मतलब देखो, try to understand. ये जब indirect speech मतलब क्या हुआ, जब ये क्वेश्चन अब वो क्वेश्चन नहीं रहा. Try to understand नीलम जी, ये क्वेश्चन जब उसने मीनू को किया था वो अभी पास्ट हो चुका है. जब मैं किसी को बोल रहा हूं कि उसने पूछा था मीनू को कि क्या वो आ रही है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ये ऑलरेडी पास्ट है. तो यहाँ पे अब ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है. दिस हैज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है पास्ट में. तो अभी मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, तो ये सेंटेंस ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि उसने मीनू से पूछा था कि क्या वो आ रही है. ये तो उसने पूछा था क्या तुम आ रहे हो, लेकिन अब ये पास्ट हो चुका है. तो ये सेंटेंस अभी हो जाएगा उसने मीनू से पूछा था कि क्या अगर वो आ रही है कि नहीं. सो इफ या वेदर, ये इसमें हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए कि इफ या वेदर छोड़ के यहाँ पे कुछ होगा नहीं. और इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन का जो साइन है वो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि दिस इज नो मोर अ क्वेश्चन नाउ. ही आस्क्ड मीनू इफ शी वाज कमिंग. If she was coming, नहीं, if she was coming, full stop.
और whether she was coming.
Now whether she was coming. Even he asks what I was doing that day. He asks what I was doing that day. So always remember this part and this part. This part is very important. And yes, this is also important कि अगर direct में होता है कुछ तो वो indirect sentence में क्या change होगा उस पर. एक काम करते हैं, एक और करते हैं. श्वेता was trying to speak something. Shweta, are you there?
Okay, sure, sir.
हाँ,
So one
तो
of my query, you send me a chart like past indefinite is convert to a past perfect, like
yeah.
that chart. So sir, this is like include only a the question like interrogative.
नहीं, not interrogative,
So
for
this
all.
is for all.
Yes, which one you are telling? मतलब this one?
Like this one, sir.
This one is applicable for all. This is applicable for all cases.
Okay.
This is applicable for all cases.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me this sentence. What will be this? What will be the sentence? Yes, Shweta.
Sir, please unmute me.
Yeah, Shweta, tell me.
Rahim said that they will complete the job the following day.
Will change, will को change करना नहीं है क्या? Will change ना? Will change हो जाएगा ना?
We will, okay. Rahim said that we would complete the job the following day. Next following day.
Rahim said that they would complete the job the next day or next following day. Rahim said that they Rahim, they are basically, Rahim said we, right? So मतलब रहीम के साथ और भी लोग हैं जो कंप्लीट करेंगे इस काम को. तो जब मैं इनडायरेक्टली बोल रहा हूं तो उसको मैं they बोलूंगा. Rahim said that they would complete the job the next day or next following day. Rahim said that they would complete the job the next following day. Okay, we'll go for the next speaker. We will go to, I want to everyone, I guess. Sandhya Sharma, will you try now? Okay, your sentence is, he promised I will do it today.
He promised that he would do it that day.
He would do it, that हो जाएगा. Today, that day हो जाएगा. Will, would हो जाएगा. He promised that he would do that day.
Oh, it will become that.
Yes. So यहाँ पे that नहीं है. He would do that day.
Okay. It will become that. Got it.
Okay, fine. Now we'll do one thing. There's a surprise for you all. Now we'll go for an assignment. I'll give you an assignment right now. And you have to write in your copy and you will send it to me and I will see your answer and I will give you some token of marks. Okay. So try कीजिएगा कि अपने पुराने नोट्स को ना देखें. So अगर देखेंगे भी तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So that is up to you. But try not to see. उससे मजा ज्यादा आएगा. At least आपको आपका जगह पता चलेगा कि कितना आप नहीं देख के कर लगा सकते हो. आपकी अच्छी real image will come to you. So I will give you 12 sentences. So you will write down all the 12 sentences and you will change it to indirect sentence and you will take a picture of your copy with answers and you will WhatsApp me privately, not in the group. Okay, and your answer should come before 5. Before 5. 5 बजे के बाद का आंसर हम लोग नहीं चेक करेंगे. Okay, and your marks will be out by maximum tonight 12 midnight. Okay, let's go ahead with your assignment questions. So the number 1 is you have to write the question or you don't write कर दो फिर दिमाग में आप सोचने का समय मिलेगा आपको. So the first question is, he said I am a cricketer. He said I am a cricketer. He said I am a cricketer. I think अच्छा मैं एक चीज को 5 बार बोलूंगा तो इसका मतलब आपने लिख लिया है. ठीक है, 3 बार हो गया है. He said I am a cricketer. He said I am a cricketer. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. He said I live in the US. He said I live in the US, United States. He said I live in the US. Okay, next, go to the next sentence. Raj said, I'm going out. Raj said, I'm going out. Raj said, I'm going out. Okay. Next is, Anu said, I have finished. 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 Okay, next sentence. He said, I had been studying a lot. 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 Okay, next sentence. He said, I had arrived before you. I had arrived before you. मैं तुम्हारे पहले ही पहुंच चुका था. I had arrived before you. He said, I had arrived before you. Now next, he said, I had already taken my lunch. He said, I had already taken my lunch. I had already taken my lunch. I had already taken my lunch. Okay. Now let's go for the next sentence. He said, I will be there at 4 p.m. He said, I will be there at 4 p.m. I will be there at 4 p.m. He said, I'll be there at 4 p.m. He said, I will be there at 4 p.m. Okay, we'll go for the next sentence. He said, he said, I had been trying to call Seema.
Have been.
Have.
I have been. Sorry. I have been trying to call Seema. She said, I have been trying to call Seema. How many you have done already?
9.
9.
9.
Okay. Okay. So 3 more. She said, I cannot dance well. She said, I cannot dance well. Okay, now we'll go for the next sentence.
Ten completed.
She said, I mustn't go. I mustn't go. Mustn't matlab must not go. Mustn't, we call it mustn't. She said, I mustn't go. She said, I mustn't go. Okay, we have the last one. And the last one is, she said, shall we go to police station? Shall we go to police station? She said, shall we go to police station? Okay, so these are the sentences. Yeah.
So, like 11th number, please, can you show last slide, 11? Fine, sir, fine.
She said, I mustn't go. So now I want, yes, any question?
12 sentence, sir, 12.
Yeah, 12 sentences. Okay, now I want to give you at least half an hour to 1 hour time. You complete now and send before 5. Okay, so thank you very much.